Hello guys, and today is another watch review for user's name Revue Thommen diver's watch. If you're ready, no, wait a second, let me show the first some papers here. Okay, we start with international warranty, gemnation.com. This is very good store where you can buy real Swiss watch with discount up to, I don't know, 85%. It's a warranty card for watch again, and the Revue Thommen with this service manual is different addresses. It's not really important in our case, and the Revue Thommen, it's like short manual book. Okay. So guys, a really cool watch, really, and if you're ready, I will open this 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have some tag here. This is a particular model number, and a second, we need to remove this plastic. And now, wow, very impressive dial. What if we, yes, something like that. Wow, really cool. Okay, first I want to wind this watch. Wait a second. Again, very smooth movement. It's why you see this magic words. Yes, Swiss made, because this is Swiss made brand and Swiss made watch. Really cool. So guys, okay, one more review for Revue Thommen. It's, I believe it's second review. First was ladies watch, today it's some real men's watch. Revue Thommen Diver XL men's diver's watch. Not sure why the series has name XL, because real case size is just 42 millimeters, standard case size it's 50 or something. I can imagine, like, okay, XL, but XL, it's not, maybe not about the size. Okay, so Revue Thommen Diver XL men's diver's watch. Retail price, yes, it's a really it's extremely high. You can imagine price $2,550. Wow, it's unbelievable price. But it's a really cool point. Some stores like gemnation.com where you can buy exactly same watch. Someone spent 2,550, but some smart people spend just for the same watch just around $450. Could you imagine? 450, maybe a little bit more. Right now price like $599 today, but like maybe a couple weeks ago or maybe less, I saw the price like $450, much cheaper than this price. You can use a link on this video, and if you want to buy some Swiss watch with huge discount, you can just sign up to receive special offers, and you never miss some deals. For example, this Revue Thommen watch for $450. Let's start about the movement, right? Nothing new here. Swiss made automatic self-winding movement with 38-hour power reserve. Case, like I already mentioned, it's a 42 millimeters and 12.7 millimeters thickness. You can ask me, it's bronze, right? No, it's not bronze. This is a brushed gun metal coated stainless steel case. I really like this. It looks like vintage, especially with this nice, you see, dark brown the leather strap. And this case looks color looks very good for me. But if you prefer, for example, something different, You can buy brushed bronze coated stainless steel. It's exactly like bronze case. This looks like some patina, bronze case with patina. But if you prefer just without patina, you can see this model on the screen. You can buy this. It's same price, like less than $500. About the dial, you see how this looks very beautiful. It's a blue sun brushed dial, and it's really, great. Again, if you prefer something different, you can buy black, green, or white. Some different models, but I prefer blue. Okay, the bezel. Definitely it's a unidirectional rotating bezel. Ratcheting. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 60 clicks. Sometimes, some models offer 120, but some models offer 60. In this case, we have 60 clicks. Unidirectional bezel. On the dial, you can see 300 meters, 1000 feet, water resistant. It's suitable for swimming, snorkeling, skin diving, and yes, diving. 300 meters. Case, bezel, and the crown, it's all the same material. It's a brushed gunmetal coated stainless steel case. You see this screw down crown. It's not a pull push crown for sure. 300 meters. I think you want to see a Caseback, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Caseback. Okay, Revue Thommen. 1863. Wow, it's a long story behind this brand. Behind this name, sapphire crystal, Swiss made. You can see this is a model number. Solid Caseback, looks cool. I really like this. And about a few words about the crystal, right? You see sapphire crystal with Rolex type magnified date display window at the 3 o'clock position. Cool. And what else? I think it's a Lume time, right? Yes, I think yes. Okay, turn off lights. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's a standard green Lume. Markers, hands, second hand, peep on the bezel. Cool. Okay, lights back. Now, few words about the leather strap. Looks like a vintage. It's a brown calfskin leather. 22, you see, 22 white, but in the lock, genuine leather. Yeah, looks like a bronze, definitely the case. And buckle, very nice. But wow, marvelous. The dial looks very cool. The dial makes the watch. Okay, let me put on my wrist. And again, if you want to buy this watch, just check the link under this video in description area, and it's a first link if you want to buy, or just check the price for this model or for many different Revue Thommen models. Like I remember, it's 55 different models for now. You can see some on the screen right now. And the second link, if you want to read something, a little bit more information about the gemnation.com, some review about the store. It's a second link under this video. So what do you think? 42, 12.7 thickness, my wrist 7 inch, 17 centimeters, and you see, looks very good for my wrist. I have some room. So guys, I think we're done with this review. Thank you gemnation.com for this beautiful watch. If you like this watch or review itself, please like this video, and if you have some idea about this watch, you can write some comments, and visit our website iReviewWatches.com. See you next time. Thank you and bye bye.